See the parade again. here too? Okay. And there's nobody riding beach restorations, just in case anybody's curious. Surf Rain Viewing Area 2.